Hello YouTube, welcome back current subscribers. If you're new, feel free to subscribe. Today we'll be replacing the engine air filter on this 2017 Cruze. I have two air filters right here. You'll see the difference later on. Part numbers are right there. One's OEM, other one's Fram. The first step is to open up the hood. Pull this once. You'll see the hood go up. Pull it one more time. Now just simply lift up the hood. Locate your air filter, which is right here. What you're going to have to do is remove the intake duct. There's a tab right here. Tab right here. Hold it down and just lift up. Should come out just fine, like so. Now with a 7mm or with a flathead, loosen the clamp on the outlet duct. Alright, it's loose. Now we're going to separate it. Now we're going to remove the cover. There are 4 Phillips screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unscrew the 4 screws. You don't have to remove the screws. Now, remove the cover. There's the air filter. As you can see, a bunch of leaves are in here. Actually, we're just going to remove the air filter right now. Put the new one on and vacuum everything. There are 2 tabs holding in the air filter. Push in the 2 tabs, pull up, and it comes right out. Now here's the Fram air filter. As you can see, there's a very big difference. On this one, there's an up arrow. You're going to install this like so. Put this in here, slide it in. Here we have an OEM filter. To install this, these instructions will face you. Goes in like so. Then you just push down and it pops in like so. And the filter's secured. This is how it should look to vacuum it out. Put the cover back on. Screw in the 4 screws. Screws are nice and tight. This isn't going anywhere. Reattach the outlet duct. Tighten down the clamp. Alright, that's not going anywhere. Now to reinstall your intake duct. Put this in like so. You'll hear this snap into place. Alright, everything's good. Make sure you don't leave any tools. Now simply close the hood. It's closed. You are done. Finished.